Hey guys, I'm here with an unboxing. I got a new 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I think it's the Cyclone one. I did already open the box because I wanted to see what it was, okay? So, right here is my brand new Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So here it is. So I'll just open it. Come on. It does come with a stand. Right there. And now for the Rubik's Cube. So here it is. Spins pretty good. So here it is. I will be doing a video on how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I'll be uploading that shortly, but here's my new Rubik's Cube. So there it is. And for those of you who don't know, I have a snake. Here he is. There's my pretty snake. Right there. Alright. Like, subscribe for more content. Goodbye.